Hi, it's Travis from Wicked Air Rifles. Today we're going to discuss how to set up your new no bounce hammer. We have a plunger on the front. It's adjustable with the plunger tool. Simply twist back. It's preset at 6mm, which is the height of the war hammer. So they're both the same height. If your valve is longer than this, I would suggest cutting it down to 5 or 6mm at the most. The plunger should never be more than 6mm above the face. It could be lower, but should never be higher. On the top we have the striker that hits the valve poppet. This is to be adjusted inward and outward. It is recessed. We have a set screw hole and a nylon set screw to lock it all down with once we're done with our installation. So first, we want to set our heights so they're the same height. Then, when everything's installed in the weapon, we're going to back the plunger backwards and keep shooting the gun and backing it up until it finally does not open the valve. You're going to fill to your desired pressure, let's say 2800 psi, and slowly start screwing the striker in until the valve opens. This is where we're going to begin our shot string. Now, based on how fast you want to shoot your weapon will determine how far the striker goes in and how much hammer preload is going to go on it with the hammer spring. So if you have, let's say, a JSB and you want to shoot 900 feet per second, we're going to go until we don't touch the valve, backing the striker in the hammer. Once we do that, and at our desired fill pressure, we start forwarding the striker until the valve just opens. We're going to record our feet per second over a chronograph. You're going to slowly increase the striker forward until you achieve your goal of 900 feet per second. If you cannot achieve your goal, then you need to back the striker back up and start adding more hammer spring to add more punch to open the valve. Once you do that, and you got your valve opening at 900 feet per second, then you can start fine-tuning it with the hammer striker. The striker should be adjusted with the least amount of action. You don't want to use too much striker. It's better to use more spring pressure to get your gun up to speed than using striker.